इसमें ये चल रहा है, आवाज़ दूर तक जा रही, समझ आ रहा है, थोड़ा शांत रहो। ये ओरिएंटेशन कैसे होगी तुम लोग को? इसमें देखो जरा रोटेशन सही कैसे होगा। हाँ वो लाइव पर वो मैसेज आ गया। अरे मोबाइल घुमाएंगे तो आधा दिखेगा, उसमें रोटेशन का लॉक्ड है, वो रोटेशन ओरिएंटेशन लॉक्ड है इसमें। हाँ वो ऐसे दिखता है, ऐसा दिखता है। अरे मोबाइल तो बच्चा घुमा देगा, टीवी कैसे घुमाएगा?
मोबाइल रोटेट कर सकते ना, ये
मोबाइल रोटेट करेंगे तो
आवाज़ होना नहीं मानता है।
मैंने बोला था आवाज़ नहीं। ठीक है, मोबाइल घुमा देंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। जो पहले कैंसिल कर
लाइव है 6 एक लाइव
निकल लो चुपचाप, कितना सही होना था ना। ऐसे ऐसे रोटेट एक बार इसमें से घुमा के देखो।
कैसे होगा?
इसको कहाँ वो दूसरा लगाया था? अरे बाबा एक दूसरे घुमाया हुआ।
हाँ वो सर ऐसा नहीं आने वाला सर। होगा जो है देखो
सही होना चाहिए, सही सही हाँ सही 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 ले ठीक है, इतना दिखना सही है। हाँ आप सही, चलो अच्छा
9 आ गए, 2 लाइक हो जाए।
अच्छा
सर पहले आप इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो।
हेलो दोस्तों, जय हिंद। कैसे आप सभी लोग? मुझे लग रहा था कि आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, तो इसलिए हमने एक लाइव थोड़ा सा वीडियो बना के डाला था ताकि आप लोग उसको अच्छे से देख सको, समझ सको, और भर भर के कमेंट दीजिएगा जब आपको क्वेश्चन में मजा आए। मजा आना है, पैसा वापस, पैसे तो वैसे भी नहीं ले रहे हैं, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आपको मिल ही रहा है। तो गोवा के जितने भी सारे बच्चे हैं एकदम जल्दी से आइएगा लाइव में, क्योंकि अभी तक सर ने एक वीडियो बनाया हुआ था, उसको हमने जस्ट अभी अपलोड भी किया हुआ है। सो 27 क्वेश्चन नंबर तक सर ने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया हुआ है, और आई थिंक आप लोगों ने अभी तक 20 क्वेश्चन ही देखे हुए हैं। सो डोंट वरी, परेशान मत होइएगा। 27 क्वेश्चन के आगे सर एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। उस जब तक आप लाइव देखोगे तब तक आपके पास उसके पहले वाला वीडियो आपको मिल जाएगा, तो परेशान नहीं होने का। सो सर आपको बताएंगे कि किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन को लगाना है, कैसे समझना है, ताकि आप अच्छे तरीके से समझ सको। सो बिना देरी किए हुए, टाइम बिना वेस्ट किए हुए, आप सीधा आप सर को बुलाते हैं ताकि आप अच्छे से पढ़ सको। ओके, तब तक के लिए मैं चलता हूँ, इजाजत रहता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत, और सच से आराम से पढ़ाई कीजिए, मस्ती के साथ।
Welcome back, students. I hope all of you are alive here and listening to me. So we have finished the 27 questions. This is the 27 or question. Okay, 27 का तो और question लिखा था, because we first question solve किया। Okay, yes, thank you. So this question is evaluate the following expression using no numerical values. No, you know trigonometric table सगळा खबर असतली. So ती value घालपाची नाही करपाची, just value. So sin 60. So you should know what is the value of sin 60. So √3/2. All right. So 12 sin square 60 √3/2 square minus 8 sec 45 is what? √2. Okay. sec 45 is root 2. Then tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Okay, you have to by this formula, or you can draw table, trigonometric table in the exam, and then you can put the values. Now solve this. 12 multiplied by, what is root 3 square? Root 3 square is 3. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4 minus this 8 multiplied by, square and root cancel, so it's remain 2. Square and root cancel hata, so 2 chudta plus 1 upon, sorry, this is 3 there, so first we'll do 3 multiplied by 1 square is 1 and root 3 square is 3. Now simple cancellation. So can we cancel this? 4 3 are 12, 4 3 12. Then here also we can cancel 3 3. So what is left? Yes, what is left? Answer is now what? 3 3 are 9. Okay, minus 8 2 are 16 and plus 1. Now what should I do? 9 minus 16 they do? No, we have to use BODMAS formula. 9 plus 1 we have to do first, 10. 9 plus 1 is 10 minus 16. The answer is minus 6. Understood? See here, we have to substitute root 3 upon 2 value of sin 60. Sin 60 value के लिए root 3 upon 2. Sec 45 value के लिए root 2 and tan 30 1 upon root 3. Then root 3 square 3 and 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is a square and root cancel होता, so we get 2 only this. Okay, दोनों में टर्म का. Then 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3, 3 3 cancels, so we get answer as 10 minus 16 minus 6. Clear? Yes. Good. Next we have prove the identity part. Okay, so we'll solve this identities problem. I'll make it zoom for you. Okay, I'll do here. What is the identity? Prove the following identity. Sec A 1 minus sin A, sec A plus tan A is equal to 1. So वळली दिसता न्ही, काय ना भिवपाची गरज ना, इजी असते. सो sec A मेळ कितें कळपाक जाय, कोणाचो रेसिप्रोकल हो sec A तें कळपाक जाय आमकां. Then हो sec A मेळ कोणाचो रेसिप्रोकल and tan A means what? So we have to substitute the value. Let's try. So first always you have to take LHS. So LHS कितने? I will write here LHS is equal to sec A. Okay, bracket 1 minus sin A. First you have to write LHS as it is. मागे कितें sec A plus tan A. Understood? कित बरयला न्हू? LHS आस पळय हें, LHS आस तशें हांवें बरयला. LHS sec A 1 minus sin A sec A plus tan A. Now there are many methods. खूबशे मेथड आसा. सो सिंपल मेथड दाखयता. यू कॅन sec A आणि 1 मल्टिप्लाय करपाक मेळटा, किंवा यू सबस्टिट्यूट हियर एंड यू कॅन फायंड द आन्सर. दॅट ऑल्सो इज. सो आमी आस्ता बरया sec A 1 minus sin A. What is sec A? कोणाचो रेसिप्रोकल ते? You know this sin reciprocal is what? Cosec. Cos reciprocal is sec. And tan reciprocal is cot. Okay, so we have cos and sec. So we can write sec as reciprocal means 1 upon, yes, cos. Okay, 1 upon cos. Since A is there, we have to write A. Understood? What I did? I done substitute with the help of formula. Sec A magne 1 upon cos A. Same tan A, you will say 1 upon cot A. Correct, but simple as अनेक. tan A we can write as sin A upon cos A. This is substitution part. tan A means what? Sin A upon cos A. किंवा we have cot A is cos A upon sin A. All right. So these are very important. Please mark this. Very important. Tan A means what? Sin A upon cos A, and cot A means what? Cos A upon sin A. So which we can substitute? We can substitute this tan A. Correct? Tan A means what? Sin A upon cos A. Here, sin A upon cos A. All right? Yes. Now simple calculation. We just have to take the denominator common here. Cos A common asa. You can see this cos A is common. Okay, so we'll write that. So this will be is equal to sec A 1 minus sin A. Okay, 1 minus sin A bracket, this 1 plus sin A is on the top part and common is what? Cos A is common. Understood? See sec A as it is, 1 minus sin A as it is, 1 upon cos and sin A upon cos. Cos is common, so we'll लिख दें 1 plus sin A. इतना बड़ा clear? Now you can see 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A दिसता है where? Okay, so we have one formula A plus B आणि A minus B. तो formula की सम का A square minus B square. Okay, same way we have 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin A. So 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin A. So it will be what? A plus B, A minus B. 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. So answer should be A square minus B square. So it is 1 square minus sin square A. This much is clear? 1 square minus sin square A. So we'll substitute there. In this 2, we'll substitute this part. Clear? How part karta? 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin A is 1 square minus sin square A. We'll substitute that part. Okay, I'll rub this for you and then we'll substitute that part. So that part is what? Here. Sec A as it is. This 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A, 1 into 1 also you can do 1 square. Like this also you can do. Okay, then sin A into sin A is sin square A. Like this also you can do. Upon what? Cos A. Now very simple. Again, we have substituted sec A means 1 upon cos A here. Sec A means 1 upon cos A. Same we can substitute here. Sec A means 1 upon cos A. Then multiply by what is 1 minus sin square A? 1 minus sin square A is cos square A divided by this cos A. Now this is cos A into 1 is cos square A upon this cos A into cos A also is cos square A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A रहता. What is cos square A upon cos square A? 1. So that is what to us 1. So finally you write LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. This much is clear. 28. Now 29. Okay, find the volume of hollow spherical shell of inner and outer radius 3 and 5. This is very important. Radius 3 and 5. So there are two radius. Now we are seeing pipe. Pipe पहिला सगळ्यांनी असं असतं pipe. Okay, there are two radius, inner radius and outer radius. So which will be inner? Very simple. It is 3. Small is 3. So inner will be 3 centimeter. And what will be outer? Correct. 5. 5 centimeter will be outer. Okay. So we will note this R. Capital R is 5 centimeter and small r is 3 centimeter. We'll just take the capital R means bigger R, older R, and small r 3 as per that. Then we have to find what? Volume. What is volume formula? Yes, recall it. Volume formula किती spherical correct. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is volume of what? Sphere. Okay. But now we have to find inner and outer radius and hollow मला. Hollow देना त्यांनी करपो big circle आतल्यान small circle minus करप. Okay. Big circle आतल्यान small circle minus करप. So the formula will be volume of hollow spherical shell will be volume of this having radius 5. So it will be 4 upon 3 pi. We'll take bigger r. Okay, this bigger r 5 minus 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Understood? The same formula, but r is for bigger radius. The same formula, this r is for smaller radius. So that means what? Here we have to substitute r as 5 centimeter and here we have to substitute r as 3 centimeter. Clear? Yes. Now let's try. Okay. Okay. See here. This 4/3 is common. Common काढपा कळटा. 4/3 is common. Also pi is common. So आम्ही किती करपाचे common घेऊया. Okay. Common कशें काडप? 4/3 into pi into now r cube minus this r cube. Okay. Now substitute 4/3 into pi value there given here 22/7. So it is 22/7 multiply by r cube. R is what? Bigger R. This is 5. So 5 cube minus r is small 3. So 3 cube. We'll do quickly now. This is 4/3 multiplied by 22/7 into pi cube is 125 minus 3 cube is not 9. 3 into 3 into 3, correct. 3 into 3 into 3 is how much? 27. Okay. So what is left? 4/3 into 22/7 into, now what is 125 minus 27? Correct. सांग 25 आणि ते 2 करपाचे कितले 98. Okay. 125 minus 20 98. Okay. Now can we cancel something? Just check किती cancel करपाक का म्हणून. Yes. 7 and 98 we can cancel. How? 7 1 is 7. Here also 7 1 is 7. How much? कितले उरले? 7 8 9 2 उरले. 2 आणि 8 28 आले. 7 4 is 28. Okay. 7 1 is 7. 7 1 7 2 उरले. कितले उरले 28. 7 चौक 28. So answer is what? 4 into 22 into 14 divided by 3. Okay. Please find answer of this. Okay. The answer तुम्ही काढपाचे. Answer will be in centimeter cube. कित्याक volume ते. Volume answer will be centimeter cube. Okay. Yes. Then 30. Very important question. Find the modal weight of students. Find the modal weight of the mode काढपाची mode. I think सगळ्यांची favorite question now mode. फक्त formula एक आहे. आता these are the class interval 40 to 45, 45 to 50 all are given and these are the frequency 7 3 8 4 अस दिला. Now we have to find highest frequency. हातूंतले highest number सोडून काढपाचो. Which is the highest number? This. So that is my F1. Okay. Highest number is F1. Now the next number will be always F2. Any number it is. It will be F2. पहिलीचे number, previous number preceding is F0. So this is very important. So we have to mark this highest number. Okay. Why? Highest number mark केले की कळटा तो F1 म्हण आणि पहिलीचो F0. 0 1 2 0 1 2. So now this will be L. Okay. And very important, we want class size 40 to 45. What is the gap? 45 minus 40? Yes, 5. What is 50 minus 45? 5. So we have to write here all the value. F0 is what? 3. F1 is 8. F2 is 6. All will write here. Let's write L is how much? L is 50. Okay, I'll take dark color pen. L is 50. Alright. F1 is what? 8. F2 is what? Correct, 6. Then F0 is left. F0 is 3. And H means class size. What is the gap between this? 5. So very important, now we want formula. How to remember mode formula? L plus, correct, bracket, very important. Now always you remember F1, you have to write first, this F1 first. So F1 minus F0. Okay, F1 minus F0. This is 2 times same F1 will come minus F0 minus F2 and into H. Now how to remember this? Very important. Some students write F0 आम बरयता, F2 आम कशे बरयता. You know 108 आमची 108 ambulance. So 108 ambulance आसा आमची. So we have 10H here. So you remember 10H. Okay, 1 0 h. First one is 1 0 and h. Okay, 1 0 h, 1 0 h. Next is very simple, 2 times same number f1 f0, and here is 2 is there, so that's why we have to write 2 like this, you remember. And now we will substitute quickly. Substitute this first. L is what? L is here, L is what? 50. So we will write 50 plus, what is f1? f1 is 8 minus f0. f0 is what? 3. Here 3 divided by 2 times 8 minus 3. See, I am writing directly 8 angale 3 angale. Now we have to look f2. f2 is here. Okay, how much? 6 into h. H is what? This gap, 50 to 55 gap. How much? 5 or 10? 5. Now very simple, 50 plus, what is 8 minus 3? Correct? 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 8 is 16. 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 8 is 16. Minus, this is minus 3 and minus 6. Minus 3 and minus 6 is minus 9. Okay, minus 9 into 5. Last step, 50 plus 5 upon, what is 16 minus 9? 7 into 5. Okay, 16 minus 9 is 7. Now one more step, 50 plus this numerator we can multiply. 5 into 5 is 25 divided by 7. So 50 plus, what is 25 divided by 7? 7 1 is 7, 7 के साथ 7 2 7 3 21, 3 ले 21, 4 उल्ले, तो 4 नहीं 40. Okay, 7 5 35. So the answer is 53.5. In exam you can write one more number. You can find, we don't have a lot of time today, so exam you can find one more decimal point and then you can add. Alright? Yes. See what you have to do, here you have to find highest number. This number is important. You have to find highest number, then earlier number kuncha asतो f0, next number kuncha asतो तो f2 and यो असतो l, and then you have to remember the formula l plus f1 minus f0, 2 times f1 minus f0 f2 into h. Okay, how to remember? 1 0 h, 1 0 h. Okay, yes, we are finished with 30 question. Now next question, 31. Many students like this question because probability is a favorite question. A die is shown once. What is die? Everybody know what is die? Yes, you know this is die. Okay, dice. So there are numbers here like this, correct? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are the outcomes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what is the probability that number appear on the top of the die? Even number. So even number is chala. Even number, which are the even? Yes, 3 is even, 6 is, 3 is odd. Okay, 2 is even, and yes, good boy Datashi. 6 is even, 4 is even, and 2 is even. So even. So how many are even? 1 2 3 are even. So probability of this an even number is 3 upon total are how many? 6. So that is 1 upon 2. Total numbers are 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2. Then less than 5. Which are less than 5? I think this question is very simple. Yes. Which are the less than 5? Yes. All these numbers are less than 5. 1 2 3 4. So probability of getting less than 5. Less than 5. Okay. Less than 5. 1 2 3 4. 4 are there. 4. So 4 upon 6. Now some students keep like this only. Now it will corrupt. Now mukar cancel corrupt. Reduce corrupt. These both are coming in the table of 2, divisible by 2. So 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So final answer is 2 upon 3. Very simple? Yes. Now the favorite part of all the students, I think elimination as of grand data. Now fast करता. Okay. एलिमिनेशन सगळं भुरग्यांक कळटा आसतली. एलिमिनेशन मेथड. Okay, 7x plus 3y is equal to, first equation is 7x plus 3y is equal to 11. We'll take that equation 1. Okay, हम equation 1 के बचे. Then second is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. We'll take that equation 2. Okay, now we can multiply 7 and 3 or 3 and 4. So जाए के बचे. So we'll 3 and 4. So what we have to do? This 3 I have to multiply here. Okay, see here, this 3 I have to multiply here. Also this 4, not minus 4, only 4 I have to multiply here. Okay, this is one way of doing. Or we can do this way also. Some students doing this 7 multiplied by 7 here, and this 3 multiplied by here. Okay, so anyway you can do. Anyway you can do this. So we'll take normal one. So what we'll take? We'll take 3 here and 4 here. Now multiply 4 into 7. How much? 4 into 7 is how much? 28. Correct. 4 into 7 is 28x plus 4 into 3. 4 into 3 એટલે 12y. Then 4 into 11, 44. This much is clear? See here, 4 गुणिले 7 28, 4 गुणिले 3 12 and 4 गुणिले 11 44. Now we have to do 3 multiplied by 3 એટલે 9x minus 12y. Why I written this directly? Elimination के पावर कौन? 3 4 जा 12 એટલે डायरेक्ट and 3 4 जा 12 એટલે and 3 10 जा कितने 30. ओके, कळटा सगळ्यांक न्ही भया. 4 7 जा 28 चेक, 4 3 जा 12 चेक, 4 11 जा 44. ओके, देन 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12 and 3 10 जा 30. Now what we have to do? Plus 12 minus 12 किती जाता? कॅन्सल जाता. ओके, this plus 12 minus 12 कॅन्सल जाता. What is left? 0. Now nothing means here plus. So 28 and 9 plus कर बचे कितना ले? Yes, 28, 29, 30. 8 and 9 कितने? 30. Correct. 9 दा 37x. and ये 4 and 7. Now you can see some relation between 37 and 74. 37 and 74 कितने दिसता? Double हा double. So what you have to do? 37x plus 0 means 37 is equal to 74. So x will be 74 upon 37, that is 2. So आमचा आंसर कितना ले? 2 झाले. आमचा आंसर कितना है? 2. Now we have to find value of y. So for that we have to substitute. What we will do? We will substitute this 2 in any one of the equation. Let's take positive first equation. So substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 1. Correct. That is 7x plus 3y is equal to 11. Now this value of x is 2. So here we have to substitute 7. Value of x is what? This 2. Okay. Value of this x is 2. Okay. Okay sir. Next. Plus 3 times y is equal to 11. 7 into 7 दोनों कितने? 14 plus 3y is equal to 11. So 3y is equal to, आता ये नंबर एक साइड और बचे, 11 तसे दर बचे, आणि 14 क्या साइड और बचे? This 14 we have to take to the other side, so it will become minus 14. Okay, so this will be 3y is equal to 11 minus 14 is, yes, minus 3, because 14 is a bigger integer, large, so minus 3 sign. So y will be minus 3 upon this 3, that is minus 1. 2.5 mark for this. Now where is the half mark? You have to write solution. You have to write solution of this. Therefore this is very important. For Goa board they are asking the solution. Therefore the solution of the above equation is, I'll short form is you can write x is equal to 2 this and y is equal to -1, or you can write the solution of the equation is 2 comma -1. This way also you can write the solution of equation is 2 comma -1. You can this 3 and 2 multiply and then you have to add and subtract, then divide by 74 37 2, then you have to substitute here back again to the okay. So those who are doing elimination, substitution not required, but I'll just tell you how to do fast substitution. So substitution, what you have to do, same way here you have to take any one equation. Let's say this equation 2x plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So this y you have to substitute in place of this y. Okay, same way. So this y in place of this. So I'll do quickly for you. 3x plus 7y is equal to 10. Then 3x plus 7. Now y is what? 3 minus 2x. You have to substitute here. 3 minus 2x is equal to 10. And then you have to solve this. So I think you should go for this because this is very easy. Everybody know. If you are not going this, so same method you have to do. Only thing, first equation you have to take any one and you have to substitute back this y value here. Okay. I hope you will be able to do this. Yes. Then next question is 33. Very important. Factorization, 3 marks. Okay, by factorization, and this is quadratic formula. This is factorization. Very, I think we have learned in 8th standard, 9th standard. Now it is there in 10th standard. So only 10th standard the number 6 is here extra. Otherwise we get x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Like this small we are solving. So how to solve this? No number means 1 here. 1 into 6 is 6. So we do like this. First and last number we have to multiply. I will come to this. First I will solve this. 1 into 6 is 6. Now we have to find two numbers such that the addition is 5. अशी नंबर शोधून काढपाचे जे ऍड केल्याने 5 मेळपा जाय आणि सेम नंबर मल्टिप्लाय केल्यार 6 मेळपा जाय. So there are many methods. एक मेथड you can write all the tables of 6. So 1 into 6 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 into 1 is 6. So these are all the multiple of 6. So now out of this, which jodi you think? If you take 1 and 6, if you add 1 and 6, it will become 7. If you subtract 6 and minus 1, it will make 5. But if you multiply 6 and minus 1, जर आम्ही multiply केले 6 आणि minus 1, we get what? Minus 6. But we want plus 6. Okay, this is plus 6. So this jodi not possible. Now we'll take different jodi. What is the jodi here? Here 2 and 3, correct. 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, correct. And 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay, like the same we have to do for that. So we'll go for that back. So what is our question? Our question is 6x square. Okay, our question is, I'll write big, 6x square minus 11x minus 10 is equal to 0. So first step is what? First number and last number we have to multiply. Which sign? 6 multiplied by minus 10, that is minus 16. This is the first step. Okay, this is the first step. Then now we have to find all the multiple of 60. The 60 is coming, we'll start from 1. Always start with 1. 1 60 is 60. 2 30 is 60. 3 20 is 60. 4 15. 1 चौक 5 12. 6 10. 7 not coming. 8 not coming. 9 not coming. Next number again 10 6. When we get same jodi we have to stop. Now which are the two numbers we get? 11 and try. 60 plus 1 is 61. So not. 20 plus 3 is 23 and 20 minus 3 is 17. जाए ना. So 15 आणि 4 गया मी. So my number is 15 and 4. Okay, this number 15 and 4. Okay, if you तुम जर पाड़ी हो बना, you don't know the table. Okay, when it went. Okay, तुम जर पाड़ी हो बना, अनेक simple method था. Factorization के बच्चे 60 you can factorize. See how this also is best method for 10th standard. इथे बच्चे 60 चे factor कर बच्चे 2 half is 60 30. 2 15 जा Okay, 3 5 जा 5 1 जा. Okay, now we get ready-made answer here. See, 2 2 जा 4 this, and 3 5 जा 15. Okay, very easily we get answer. So I think this method is good for 10th standard rather than going for big method. So this only sometime what you have to do, this adjustment you have to do. This 2 2 3 5, sometimes 2 5 are 10 and 2 3 are 6. That you have to do. That you have to manage. Okay. Yes. Next part is what? Very simple. What you have to do? 6x square you have to write as it is. I'll take different pen. Okay, this 6x square as it is, minus, now this 15 and 4 is 11, but 15 4 are 60 minus 60 is बता है. So 1 should be negative. कोणची एक negative आहे पाहिजे because it is minus here. So which will be negative? Obviously you just see here minus 11 is there, so bigger number should be minus always. ज्यांना odd number minus असता नाही तीच sign आणला पाहिजे. Suppose it's what plus here. Suppose here if what plus 11. That time this will be plus, this will be minus. Because 15 minus 4. What is 15 minus 4? 11. That plus 11. Okay? Okay. Now our it is what? Minus. Okay? Now what is the case? Our it is minus 11. So it will be minus 15x plus 4x minus 10 is equal to 0. Alright? 6x square minus 15 plus 4. What is the answer of this? Minus 15 plus 4 is minus 11 and minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we have to take common. In this two common करपाचे. Common कश काढाबो? 6 आणि 15. कुणची पाड्या येता 6 and 15? कुणची पाड्या येता 6 and 15? Which table it comes 6 and 15? Yes, 3 table. Okay, this is 3 2 are 6 and this is 3 5 are 15. So what is common here? Correct, this 3 is common. Okay, 3 2 are 6 and 3 5 are 15. So 3 is common here. Okay, also you can see x square and x. This x square means x into x, this x. So this x will be common. Alright, so x also will common. What is left inside? 1x will left and 3 multiplied by this 2 is left. Correct? This 3 multiplied by 2. 3 is outside. 2 will be inside. Check. 3 2 are 6. Correct? And x into x, x square. So we are done with this. Now it is minus 15. Already 3 is outside here. 5 is left. This 5. Correct? So 5. Check. 3 into 5, 15 and x. 3x into 5 is 15x. And 3 to the 6 already done. Now, next step is very simple. What you have to do? See here, this bracket, without thinking you write here as it is. This same bracket. See here, this 2x minus 5. Same bracket you write here and write is equal to 0. Now only you have to adjust here. Because here is 4x, no? Already 2x is there. कुछ नंबर इतला का 2 नापाड्या खंचूक 4 येता. Correct. 2 गुणिले 2. Correct. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. And 2 5s are 10. Automatically is coming. See, 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 5s are 10. Automatically is coming. So we don't have to think. So only we have to think here. Here we have to adjustment. The same number we have to take. Alright. Now last step. I'll wrap this up because it's making. Okay, this 2x minus 5 common we write here, and this 3x plus 2, okay, is equal to 0. See, 2x minus 5, this 2x minus 5 I written here, and 3x plus 2 here. Now what I have to do? 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. आम्हाला कसं आहे सगळा कळटा. 2x minus आम्ही 9th शिकले. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 or 3x. Now this will be 2x is equal to plus 5 and this 3x is equal to plus 2 তে add केला गेलेला आहे minus 2. So final x is equal to minus 2 upon 3 and x is equal to 5 upon 2. So these are the two answers. This is सगळ्यात पळय 2x minus 5 5 ते ऍड केले प्लस झाले आणि प्लस 2 ते ऍड केले मायनस 2 झाले. So these are the two roots. So final we have to write the roots are 5 upon 2 and minus 2 upon 3. Okay, so this will give you 3 marks. That important step is this. This is our important steps. So if you misplace this number, minus change केले किंवा minus change केले, you will get 0 marks because if you put wrong sign here, this whole thing will be wrong. Okay, so you have to take care in this step. Round केलं पाहिजे ना, हांगानी तुमका care घेवची पडटली. चुकून जर plus 15 घाले full wrong जातले. Okay, okay. Now next find the roots of quadratic formula. Okay. Quadratic formula कोणा खबर आसा? Quadratic formula. Find the roots of quadratic formula. Quadratic formula कितें? Yes, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a. Yes, सगळ्यांचे फेवरेट. कित्याक हो फॉर्म्युला कळ्ळें काय न्ही. Now from this I have to write this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have to find a value. So a value is what? 2. In place of a, 2 is there. B value is what? 5. Correct? B value is 5. And C value is what? You will say 3. No, it is minus 3. You have to consider this minus also sign. Okay? Now, this D value you have to find out first. This D value you have to find out. D value. How to find D value? I'll write here. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. I can mean that discriminant. D is called discriminant. So D is equal to B square is this 5 square. B is what? 5. So we have to write 5 square. You can write directly 25. Minus 4 times A. A is 2. And C is minus 3. Now see I'm going to multiply करप 4 2 ने कितले 8 4 2 जा 8 and 8 3 जा 24. So we write 24. Now which sign we have to put? If you put minus it is wrong. कित्याक this one minus and second minus. So minus multiply by minus किती जाता plus जाता. Yeah? 5 square is 25. Minus into minus become plus. And 4 2 जा 8 3 जा 24. Okay, answer of this is 49. This 49 you have to substitute here again. In place of D, 49 you have to substitute this. Okay, so first you have to find D first. Always you have to find D for quadratic formula because D is there in this formula, discriminant. Now what we will do? We will substitute here. Okay, so x is equal to this minus this minus you have to write. Now B, what is B value? 5. So that 5 will come here. Plus or minus, this is plus or minus root of D. D is what? We got 40 upon 2 times A. What is the value of A? 2. Or you can see here A value is 2. Now minus 5 plus or minus root of 49. Whose root is 49? 7. Correct. It is 7 upon 2 to the 4. Now last part is what? We have to split this minus and plus. We have to split. So see here, this plus I will do first. So what you have to do? Minus 5. This plus 7 upon 4. See here, minus 5 plus 7 upon 4. Or this negative. Okay. So how to write? X is equal to this minus 5 same. Now we have to write this negative minus minus 7 upon 4. See here I'll use light color. This plus is here and this minus is here. Alright, this plus is here, minus is. Now last step, 7 minus 5 is how much? X is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 4, that is half. Okay, one answer. Or this is minus 5 minus 7. Minus 5 minus 7 is what? Minus 12 upon 4, that is minus 3. Okay, so we got two roots. Which are the two roots? There the roots are, which are the roots? Half and our second answer is minus 3. Okay, yes. Okay, yeah. So now next you will solve Okay. Okay, we'll do last this time. Okay, this last we'll do. So statement and reason have to do. Write a proof. So statement, here statement, this is very, okay. Now what you have to do, there are two triangles. This is triangle is this ONA. Okay, OMA, ONA. So you write here ONA. This is first step. Second, what you do, in this two triangle you can see radius is there. This radius and this radius are equal. What is the name of this radius? OM, correct. In this triangle OM is equal to, in that triangle ON. They are radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. I like short form, circle. These are radius of same circle. Then you know that tangents and radius meet that form 90 degree. So what is the angle OMA? So पाची गरज नाना सा. We have same triangle here. So we have to write angle OMA and this ONA. See here, OMA and ONA both are 90 degree. You can write 90 degree here. Here you can write right angle, or standard is tangent perpendicular to radius of circle. Okay, you have to write this. Otherwise half mark will be deducted. You just write 90 degree, तुमका half mark कटतलो. So you write tangent perpendicular to radius of circle. Last, fourth one. You can see this common in this triangle. This is there, OA is there, and in this triangle also OA is there. This OA middle line is common. So OA is equal to OA. OA is equal to OA. So it is what? Common side. Now again you write these two triangles. One triangle OMA is equal to ONA. Ata we cannot write is equal to, we have to write this. You know what is this symbol? What is this symbol middle? See here, we have to write is equal to and like this. Congruent, correct. So by which rule? By RHS. Okay, by RHS rule both triangles are equal. This triangle and this triangle are equal. If both triangles are equal, then what about AM and AN? This AM and AN, what will be this? They also will be equal. Alright, if both triangles are equal, sixth step, same you have to write AM is equal to AN. Okay, you have to write CPCT. So this proof is simple, and same step you have to do. First is two triangles, you have to write this radius same, this tangent same, reason you have to write, this common side same. So you can by heart this all five you have to by heart. Only you have to adjust this. How? Again I am telling, sir, last time telling. So how to adjust? Simple. See here, this is OMA, this triangle OMA, and second is ONA. Okay, then OM and ON is here, OM and ON is here. Then OMA, ONA already we have written here. Only have to add angle here. Okay, angle बरोबर आहे. आणि काय ना, last is middle line is OA. Okay, and then again same two triangles you will repeat here. Same two triangles here. See, one time, two time, three times is repeating. So once you write OMA and ONA, same you have to write here and here. Only angle here and here triangle. Alright, I hope all of you understood this. So I try to finish this fast because there is 7 PM now. So I hope all of you will do the needful. फाल्या पेपर all the best सगळ्यांक बरें कराय. आणि जर टाइम मेळ्ळा मुखार करूया आमी नेक्स्ट बॅच आनी केन्ना करूया आणि सगळ्यांक दे बरें करूं. ऑल द बेस्ट, धन्यवाद, थैंक यू.
ओके, सो कैसा लगा आपको अभी क्लास? परेशान मत होइएगा. एक्चुअली सर को काफ़ी दूर से आना होता है, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 45 किलोमीटर समथिंग अराउंड. सो सर को भी जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आपको पता है ये पूरा हिली एरिया है और वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लाइट की भी दिक्कत होती है, तो सर को जाना पड़ेगा. बट डोंट वरी, हम प्रयास करेंगे कि इसके बाद के जो भी क्वेश्चन है, आई थिंक अभी हमारे पास 8 से 9 क्वेश्चन ऐसे हैं, क्या 7 से 8 क्वेश्चन ऐसे हैं जो भी बचे हुए हैं. सो परेशान मत होइएगा. इसके बाद के क्वेश्चन हम आपको वीडियो बना करके इसमें करेंगे. पहले आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो, सो डोंट वरी। आप सभी लोग एक बार देखिएगा। और अगर सुबह की लाइव क्लास का अगर हम प्रयास करेंगे सुबह लाइव क्लास देने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे, अगर हो सकेगा तो हम बिल्कुल क्लास लेंगे। लेकिन जितना पेपर बताया गया सेम टू सेम क्वेश्चन वही। अब ये क्वेश्चन डिजिट चेंज हो सकते हैं, परेशान नहीं होने का। सर ने जो मेथड बताया है, जो सर ने फार्मूला बताया है, अगर आप उसको करके जाओगे तो आप बहुत अच्छे से करके आ पाओगे। तो ये मत सोचिएगा कि नहीं मैथमेटिक्स बहुत टफ है, सिंपल है, रिलैक्स होकर कीजिए।